What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Mills, and I'm back again with another sneaker review. I know I've been gone for a while. Haven't really been making any pickups, so I can't make any videos. I'm not just gonna throw out random stuff. So here we go. I'm coming back at y'all today with a review on the Air Jordan Travis Scott 6's. So let's get into it. You got your box. US 12, you got Air Jordan 6 Retro SP, standing for Special Project, medium olive, infrared black. You got your little Cactus Jack logo there, Jumpman logo there with the air. On the side, you ain't got nothing. On the back, you got your Cactus Jack logo. And then you got your other Jordan Air. Bottom of the box, you got your standard bottom of the box there, and then you got your little Jumpman logo right there. Let's see. Let's open these puppies up. Let's see what we got. Receipts, of course, always receipts. Always gotta have the receipt. Check these out. I was able to hit on the drawer for these at first glance. Check that out. Oh man, these are just so fire. You got that Nike Air on the back of this one. You got your glow sole right there. These hits right here is glow in the dark. You got your black midsole that wraps around. To the other side, you got that medium olive green. I don't know, it might be coming up a little bit too light here. It's a little bit darker, I say. You got your black nylon tongue. It's not like that mesh like the regular Jordan 6's. You got the perforated holes. As you see, they're frayed. They're not just like punch in holes like the way the lace holes are. That's another thing to look for on fakes. You got this clear, smoked out clear. It's not completely clear, not translucent like some of the pairs I've seen on some of these sneaker influencers, I guess you guys call them. I'm not really sure. I don't call them that. They just know. You got your Nike Air on the inside, size 12. You got your frayed in the back of the tongue. You see in there, you got the Cactus Jack, which is actually over here. Oh, well, you got your lace lock, Cactus Jack on one side, Jordan brand Jumpman on the other. Jordan brand on the tongue there, as you can see. And you pull this down right here. Then you got your Cactus Jack there on the inside of the tongue. Try to close that back up. It's not working. Let's try that again. These freaking laces always get in the way. I'm trying to snap that. It doesn't really snap close. So it's, you got your pocket. Open that up. You got the Travis Scott smiley face right there. Sorry about that. Got a lot of cars. I live on the outside of the apartment complex, so we get the cars passing by. You got that same black right here that it has on the inside liner. The tongue is that translucent, but since it has that canvas on the back, you can't really see it. Can't see through it, obviously, but you can see it's got like a matte finish to it. From what I've heard, the fakes have like a shiny finish going on in there. Once you got your standard bubble, your 3M hits are in here and in here. And let's look at the other pair. But I love that Nike Air, I gotta say. This right here, whew, it's amazing. But let's get the other shoe out. And of course, the Travis Scott's men's pairs comes with the laces. You got an extra pair of the smoke gray laces, and you got a pair of the yellow laces. There are no Jumpmans on the bags. I heard some fakes come with the Jumpman on the bag in black or in red, either way. And then you got your little red lines on the zip locks. This one pretty much standard, same as the other pair. You got your glow sole, your hint of red, your red Jumpman right there. You got your glow back here, black the rest of the way, black wraps around. You got your little hits of white, which is literally just these little pieces right here. This is the white. But overall, they did a great job with this shoe. See, you got your Cactus Jack on this one. You got the same insole, Nike Air on the insole in black. Well, the insole's black and the lettering's in white. Same thing for the lace lock, Cactus Jack on one side, Jumpman on the other side. Little subtle details that they put into the shoe that most people probably wouldn't even notice. But I literally sit with my shoe for like 20 minutes and look it over. Please let me know I'm not I'm pretty sure I'm not the only one that does that. I cannot be the only one that does that. And then again, you got your stash, your smiley face on there. It's a beautiful thing, I'm telling you. I was lucky enough to win this raffle. I mean, not raffle. I was able to win the draw on Nike. And I just said, you know what, I'm gonna enter one account one time. Not even gonna bother entering my wife's account. And if I hit, I hit. And lo and behold, I hit. Look at that suede. Whew. Look at that. Gotta definitely hit this with some protectant if you're trying to rock these in the wintertime and you want to have them for longevity, not just to rock them and destroy them like a lot of these kids do nowadays. I don't really understand that. I remember growing up, it was all about rocking your kicks and keeping them clean. I used to love keeping my kicks clean, keeping my kicks clean. Man, my voice all messed up. Trying to do this vid. What is that right there? Maybe a glue mark? Nah, I don't know. Doesn't really matter. It's not that big a deal. But overall, there was really no issues with the shoe itself. No like crazy glue marks. You just get your little bit of paint. But I prefer that over some other craziness. I did notice over here I got a little extra material right there. I don't know if you guys can see a little extra material, but that's okay. And you got your 3M in here, like I told ya. Your 3M on this side. With these joints, I definitely say this to me is the best Travis Scott collab so far. So far. If you guys think that is the Jordan 1 High OG, which I had, I got rid of them though, because I ended up just picking up. I wasn't gonna wear those. I kept telling myself, oh, just keep them in the collection, but I wasn't gonna wear them. These I will wear. I love this olive color. This is it right here for fall. This is a straight up beautiful colorway. Definitely will be rocking these. This will be going on feet soon. And if you follow me on Instagram at @DMillsSoles, I will post when I rock these, so y'all guys can see them on feet. Because I don't do on feet videos. I just do it when I post it to my Instagram. So if y'all want to see, make sure y'all follow me on Instagram. Once again, @DMillsSoles. @DMillsSoles with an S at the end. And yeah, guys. I mean, oh, there. Forgot to tell you about the bubble. It's an infrared red bubble in there. These are just fire, man. So fire, my voice is cracking of how hyped I am that I got these. That's how fire these joints are. I mean, but you guys tell me what you think. You think this is the best collab that he has done so far with Jordan Brand? Do you think this is the shoe of the year? I mean, it's close. It's close, but there's a few more things coming out this year that might outdo it, but we'll see. We'll see if it does or not. But y'all let me know. Rate, comment, subscribe, and I'm out. Peace.